I'm not 100% sure about which way I did my eyebrows in the other video, but I have multiple ways of doing them. So this is just a basic drugstore brand eyebrow pencil that you sharpen, and making sure that you have like a fine tip is ideal. So I start by drawing the line that's going to be under my brow to define the brow in small strokes. Then I fill out the beginning part of it, and I kind of work my way outward and upwards to create the arch that I want. If I mess up, I usually use my fingers to smudge out or remove an area and then start over. I work with my fingers a lot, especially to blend, and I always blend out the front of my eyebrows with my fingers to not have such a harsh line. This is the NYX brow pen lift and snatch, I think it's called. And I just use that to do some more defined, like fine hairs in the front and throughout the brow. I love this pen so much. Okay, so they turned out much thicker than I intended, but it happens. Hope you like it.